It's usually all it is. Look at this. 4th of July fireworks on
right from the deck.
well, what's today? Today's June 30th or July 1st?
I think it's June 30th. Let me look on my thing. Yeah, it's only the 30th.
Yeah, it's June 30th. And it's Friday. It's Friday, right? Yeah.
Yep, Friday night. They figured they'd have them on Friday night. And then we could go
So
away
Saturday's
for
the
weekend.
1st.
Look at that. Nice, huh?
Sunday's the 2nd. That makes Monday the 3rd, and Tuesday's the 4th of July.
There's that tank sparking up while we're watching this. This is great. One more. I think I'll take another couple of them now. Hey, Jody. Jody's not. Maybe a little. She's standing there, but she's more interested in the fireflies.
You want to come out here and see the fireworks, pussycat? Jody.
Probably are a big blast. The ones that echo right there will be probably one coming up, like a flash, and then a big boom at the end after it's delayed. Here. Here, take that.
Burning?
Yeah, I think so. Is it? Or not?
Nah.
Here, let me light it for you. Oh, you got it?
I got it. I got one.
Here it is. My friend gave me all his paraphernalia and tools that he used for cleaning his weed pipes and shit like that, and some weed pipes and stuff, because he's got to stop smoking because he's
Yeah,
going
I
out to Florida.
can't smoke.
I'll
Too
take it.
small.
I'll take it.
Too small.
Yeah, I was thinking about, oh man, maybe I might not go over. Joey might be tired, right?
Yeah, I was dozing off, and then I heard boom, and I went, oh.
Did you know that there's
What
a few
the
private
fuck
planes
was that?
flying in the area? There's a few private planes flying in the area because I see some really, really light lights over the water. They're way over the water, like out in Long Island, but they're, if you look down over towards that way,
Yeah,
planes flying
yeah.
by. A lot of them are like student.
There's a red dot, just one red dot that's been blinking as it's going across.
Like that. That's what they do. They did. That's what they do when the fireworks are on. I know a girl used to go with the Leonards there. She said that they went up in the airplane for the fireworks in New York City and shit, and around here, or a helicopter or something. That's a helicopter. That's not. That's right.
The one they're doing in New York, it's on what? They're doing it in the East River or something?
Yeah, I think so.
Sounds
I think that's where
like
they
it's
do it. I
not
don't know.
doing it in the Hudson, that's for sure. Cause
Why
if
not?
the,
They did it one time on the other side of. I think they.
Oh,
Oh,
I
they are.
think
No, they're doing it on the
they're
Hudson side this time.
no, I think they're doing on the East River.
No, they're doing it because Lou is going down there. He's spending a couple days. He told me he's not going to be home for a couple days because he's got to go to New York City. Monday night is the fireworks, and they're staying Monday and Tuesday over there in New York City. And they're staying at the Millennium. Four Points, which is right on the Hudson River. And he says all we got to do is walk out the hotel, and we're right there at the water. So yeah, they're up them on the outside. When they have them on the east side, they have them uptown.
You know, they got a number of
Close to
barges.
42nd
They got like all these barges, and people
Yeah,
are
the
gonna
Hudson
be able
River's
to
bigger,
see it all the
wider.
way over here and all the way down in
Hudson
the
River is
Battery,
a lot wider. They only
and
did
people
that
in
one-
Queens will see it. People in Staten
You know,
Island.
they only did it those couple of years because the Trade Center was being rebuilt and stuff like that. And also, they did it because they wanted to do it next to the 100th anniversary of the Brooklyn Bridge. When they did it, a few years ago, they did it on the east side. They had
Brooklyn
bleachers.
Bridge. That was built in 18 what? 80s?
I don't know, maybe it was 150th year or something.
1890s. Something like that.
So it's about time. Hey, Ralston, what's up? You never believe what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm going to tell you right now. I'm standing on the 3rd floor at my cousin's apartment in Japan, next to the beach, and they're having the Stamford fireworks, and we're standing on this deck watching the whole thing, big, huge fireworks right in front of us. Yeah, we're standing on his deck smoking. All right, go ahead. What's the matter? Oh, I know. Oh my God. I mean, oh. Yes. Okay.
Jody, you want to come out and watch? I think she is watching. Come here, Jody. I'll let him out.
Uh-huh.
Come on.
Uh-huh.
Up here. Come here. Come here, pussycat. Don't go too crazy now.
Yeah.
Patches. Alright, go inside.
Okay.
That's it.
Right.
Alright. Jody! Jody's the only one that's hanging out. Simba, I don't know where he is. He's not out here. He can come out. But Jody's right behind you. Look at that.
Okay.
Jody! Come here, Jody. Maybe she is scared. Come here. Go that way.
Yeah, you know what?
Go inside.
Yeah.
Here, go out.
Yeah, because that way I can get him from there, and he's, and he's cool with me there, so.
Oh, you want to go in the cage? Alright. Ooh, shit. Who wants to go in the cage? Come on. Come on. Everyone go in the cage?